Sicilian defense is a very, very powerful weapon for both white and black, depending on which side you are playing for. Mostly it's an opening for black to respond to white's first move e4, and it's so powerful that it was favored by none other than Bobby Fischer and Gary Kasparov and used in many of their now famous world championship matches very successfully. And the reason being it's very versatile and there are many different lines that can come out of a Sicilian defense. It is very popular now. It is played by both sides, by many club players and professionals at all different levels of the game. And so really fluency in the Sicilian defense and knowing many of its different variations, like you're going to learn in this course, is really necessary if you want to be a strong chess player. And it's also probably the most fun opening in all of chess. There's lots of chances for both sides to win. There's lots of different sort of attacks and defensive positions and patterns that you will see in a game. And so it's just a necessary formation and pattern to know. It's a really important opening to study, and it's very fun. I consider myself an expert in the Sicilian defense. I've been using it and studying it for many, many years. It's one of the reasons why I have such a high rating in chess. And I encourage you guys to take the course and learn everything that you can from all of my experience in utilizing this very powerful chess weapon.